With the proliferation of true wireless earbuds on the market, it's increasingly difficult to find a pair that offers pro-level audio performance, robust feature sets, and long-lasting comfort, all at a budget-friendly price. SoundPEATS' new Air 5 Pro manages to tick all of these boxes, delivering a compelling flagship killer experience for just over $40. In our hands-on testing, the Air 5 Pro impressed with its utilitarian design, advanced hybrid noise cancellation, high fidelity audio codecs, and a battery life that easily outlasts your workday. Here's what makes these earbuds stand out. Right out of the box, the slim, pebble-shaped charging case communicates portability and durability. Measuring just 66.9 times 48.3 times 26.9 millimeters and weighing a mere 50.3 grams. The matte finish case resists fingerprints while feeling reassuringly solid in the hand. A subtle LED on the front glows to indicate battery status, and around back sits a USB-C port. An appreciated modern touch that aligns with most smartphones and laptops today. Even the hinged lid operates with a satisfying, secure snap. Earbuds slide in and out effortlessly without rattle or catch. A tasteful SoundPEATS logo embossed on the rear adds a hint of branding flair. Inside, the case houses the pair of Air 5 Pro earbuds alongside a USB-C charging cable, and 3 sizes of silicone ear tips S, M and L, with M pre-installed. This full complement of tips not only guarantees a snug, comfortable fit, but also optimizes passive noise isolation, a critical first step before any active noise cancellation even kicks in. Each Air 5 Pro earbud weighs just 4.8 grams, making them among the lightest in their class. Paired with the ergonomic, curved stem housing, you nearly forget they're there. Even through hours of continuous wear, the unique curved pin architecture reduces mechanical vibration and unwanted resonance from the earbud's base, yielding a smoother, more stable listening experience. During outdoor strolls and light workouts, the earbuds stayed firmly anchored without any discomfort or slippage. An IPX5 rating means you can sweat through a gym session, or even get caught in a drizzle, without worry. Build quality is surprisingly upscale for the price tier. The mix of matte and glossy plastic surfaces is crisply finished, and touch controls on each stem feel responsive yet unobtrusive. Tapping or pressing the flat touchpad areas lets you play pause, adjust volume, skip tracks, or summon your device's voice assistant functions. You can customize in the companion app. Under the hood, the Air 5 Pro is engineered around 10mm dynamic drivers, made of a peak-boo composite material. This proprietary blend delivers tight, punchy bass without drowning out mid-range clarity or smoothing over high-frequency detail. SoundPEATS complements the hardware with support for an impressive array of codecs: LDAC for high bitrate Bluetooth high-res audio, aptX lossless and aptX adaptive for rock-solid Android streaming, LC3 for next-gen Bluetooth LA audio, AAC-SBC for full compatibility with iOS and other devices. In Android handsets that support LDAC or aptX lossless, the difference is palpable. Instrument separation sharpens, and subtle micro details emerge in vocal recordings and classical genres. Even on standard SBC connections, the Air 5 Pro delivers a rich, engaging soundstage that belies its sub-$50 price point. One of the Air 5 Pro's headline specs is its AI-controlled hybrid active noise cancellation. By combining feed-forward and feedback microphone arrays, the earbuds can attenuate ambient noise by as much as 55 decibels in the low and mid frequencies. In practice, flipping on ANC transforms a bustling cafe into a quiet sanctuary. The whoosh of passing traffic and murmur of conversation fade into the background, allowing you to focus on music, podcasts, or phone calls. SoundPEATS Smart ANC adapts in real time, dialing in just the right amount of cancellation for varying environments. Be it a crowded train or a noisy office, when you need situational awareness, transparency, or ambient mode, Lets in external sounds so you can hold a conversation or hear announcements without removing the earbuds. Each earbud packs 3 microphones, 6 in total, to ensure crystal clear call quality. Using Qualcomm's CVC 8.0 noise suppression suite, the Air 5 Pro filters out background distractions, whether you're walking down a busy street or sitting in a cafe. In our video call tests, remote participants reported hearing our voice distinctly, with virtually no intrusion from passing traffic or clattering dishes. The latest Bluetooth 5.4 radio underpins the Air 5 Pro's wireless performance, offering rapid pairing, stable signal maintenance and improved power efficiency. A standout feature at this price point is dual-device multi-point pairing, simultaneously connecting to a laptop and smartphone, switching back and forth between Zoom calls on your computer and Slack notifications on your phone is seamless, making the Air 5 Pro an ideal companion for hybrid work setups. The free SoundPEATS Audio Companion app unlocks a host of personalization options. Custom EQ tweak bass, mid-range and treble curves to suit your taste. Ink transparency manually fine-tune noise, cancellation or ambient volume levels. Game mode activate ultra-low latency for mobile gaming. Touch control management assign single, double or triple taps to preferred functions. Multi-point management easily toggle primary and secondary device roles. The app's simple interface ensures you can dial in your perfect audio profile in seconds and save multiple presets for different listening scenarios. Battery endurance is another key strength with ANC engaged. Each earbud delivers up to 7 hours of playback on a single charge. The pocket-sized charging case tacks on an additional 35 hours, meaning you can go days without needing a power outlet. Leave ANC off and durations stretch even longer, ideal for long haul flights or extended work sessions. Need a quick boost? 10 minutes of charging yields about 2 hours of listening, a lifesaver. When you're in a hurry, a full case recharge over USB-C takes just 1.52 hours. At just over $40, the SoundPEATS Air 5 Pro undercuts many competitors while packing in features typically reserved for pricier earbuds. High-resolution codecs, industry-leading ANC, multi-point Bluetooth, a robust app suite and battery life that spans your day and beyond. If you're seeking a versatile true wireless solution for music, calls and productivity, without breaking the bank, the Air 5 Pro is a remarkably value-packed contender that deserves serious consideration.